Alright, so right now the bicep is 14 and a half. So we're using 14.5 divided by 2 plus 2.5. Understood? 14.5 divided by 2 plus 2.5. So in this part, so we're taking out the 14.5 divided by 2 is what? Hmm? 7 and quarter. 7 and quarter plus 2.5. This is for the big sleeve, so which is 10.8. You mark it 10.8 all the way down. Then for the small sleeve, we'll be taking out the 7.3 exactly. So the length is 24 and a half, and we'll add half inch to it to make it 25. So this is the box frame that will give us both the front and the back. So right now from the top, we'll take out 2 inches. This 2 inches is constant for every sleeve drafting. The next line we'll take is our bicep line. The bicep is 14.3 minus half inch. That's 7.3 minus half, which is 6.8. Then the last is our elbow line. The elbow, we take 11 inches from the base here to get our elbow. So here on this point, we take out 1 inch and half inch. Right? On this point, we'll not take anything exactly. On this point, we take out 1/4 inch. Then on this point, we take out 3 inches. On this point, we will not take out anything. On this point, we take out 0.8. On this point, we take out half inch out. Pay close attention. On this point, we take out 1 inch and then half inch. On this point, we take out 0.3. This point, we take out 0.3. And on this point, we take out 3 inches. Take out half inch here. This point, we take in 0.8. And on this point, we take out half inch. So that is it. We'll connect our lines together. So on this point, at my matching, you take out point 0.8. This point you take out 2.5. Connect the line together. On this point you take out 1.5. So at this point you take out ½ inch. So now you measure this divided by 2. And you take out ½ inch again. You connect your lines together. From here to touch this line. This point you divide this by 2. Get your center. Take it out by ½ inch. Connect from here to here to here. Below here you take out 2.5 inches. Here you take out 1.5 inch. On this point you take out 2.5. On this point you take out 1.5. Connect them together. So now we are about to get the slits. So on this point, take out 1.8, 1¾ 1¾ connect your line. From here, you take out 7 inches. Then on this point, you take out 6.5 to make it a bit slant. The same thing happens on this side. You mark out your 1.8. Take it out here also 1.8. This place actually is not constant. You can take 1.5 if you like, depending on the space you have. Now take out 7 inch here. and 6.5 here. So that's the end of our suit drafting. This is the big panel, this is the small panel.